Woodpeckers Pocket Compass and Pocket Compass XL use a two-piece adjustable beam with precision-milled pencil guides to simplify arc and circle layout. And these special one-time tool collector's vault editions of the pocket compasses are machined from billets of stainless steel for enduring beauty and flawless performance. Slide the center beam section to your desired dimension and lock it up. The outer section has both inch and metric graduations, showing the diameter of the circle. The stainless steel pivot pin fits through the body with a close tolerance fit, enhancing the accuracy of the scale. The scribing guides are designed to work with almost any mechanical pencil. The pencil guide closest to the pivot is a direct read from the scale. The compass lays flat on your workpiece, which makes completing your circle a simple process. The additional scribing guides increase the reach of the pocket compass. Each one indicates the diameter increase added to the scale setting. Unlike a standard divider-style compass, the sharp part of the pocket compass stores safely inside the body of the tool, making it safe to carry around the shop. The Collector's Vault set includes both sizes of the pocket compass. The smaller works from 1 inch to 7 inches, and Pocket Compass XL draws circles from 2 inches to 21 inches. They're delivered to you in a form-fitted case, which you can mount to the wall or use in a drawer. The date of release is machine engraved into the body of the tool. For fast, accurate circle and arc layout, with tools you will proudly hand down to future generations of woodworkers, order your OneTIME Tool Collector's Vault Pocket Compass set today.